This little seabird has yet to wet her wings. She was born at the top of this tower block. It might seem like a dangerous place to raise a family, but hers is a life of luxury. Tucked under Dad's down duvet, she's hidden from predators. Mom delivers food daily, straight to her penthouse, which has ensuite facilities. Below them, the neighbors are forced to live in squalor. So far, this privileged chick has never had to venture beyond the comfort of her ledge. But at 3 weeks old, the time has come for her to spread her wings. Getting down will be the biggest challenge of her little life. She can't fly yet,